Hello everyone, welcome to TapRooT Software Academy, a new video series that delves into the TapRooT software, highlighting features and progressing through the software as we go. Today's video will be a simple introduction to the TapRooT software, highlighting things such as signing into the software, going over tabs, and locating the announcement and task sections presented on the home screen. If you have a single user subscription, you'll need to go to taproot6.com and enter in the credentials that were provided with the email you received upon purchase. If the company has an enterprise license, then these credentials will be provided internally from the company. Let's start by looking at the login screen. Here, you will enter in your username and password. If for some reason you've forgotten this information, just click the Forgot Username or Password link and receive an email with steps to reset the password. Once we are logged in, we are presented with a home page. Across the top of the page, notice a series of tabs. These tabs will appear across the page throughout every section of the software. First, we have our Home tab. Wherever you go in the software, you can click Home to return to the home page. Next is the Create New tab. Here is where you can start a new incident investigation, audit, or action plan. The Admin tab is where you can add, remove users, create custom tabs, list, report templates, or new folders. If we hover over the Trends tab, another option will appear called Dashboard. The dashboard is where we create filters for your investigations and generate reports or widgets that display trending data. The trending data can be filtered by various fields such as date range, location, and classification. Located in the top right-hand corner, notice our username is displayed along with the last time we logged into the software. You can click on the icon next to your username to access the User Settings menu. Here, we can change the password or configure specific software settings, which will be covered in a later video. When we exit the User Settings menu and look towards the right of the screen, notice the Announcements section. Here's where the administrator can post announcements that users of the software should be aware of. Below the Announcements section is the Task section. When a task is created, it will be posted here with the task name, the investigation it was created for, and the date the task will be completed by. Last, we have the Exit tab. By selecting Exit, you'll be taken back to the login page. So far in this video series, we covered logging in, basic tabs, user settings, along with announcement and task sections where important information is posted. Our next video will be on creating a new investigation, so be on the lookout for upcoming TapRooT Software Academy videos. Don't forget to attend TapRooT Software Academy to stay TapRooT savvy.